Hey there everyone, SEMO-MAC here. So, got something that I hope you like. Got sent out to me. Picked it up yesterday. It's a keychain. Yeah, I know, there's a little bit more to it than that. But honestly, it is a keychain. So let's get it open and let's find out what it actually is. So, open the box. And I got this. And yes, that does look like a little handgun, but it's not. No, internet, it's not a handgun. No, it's not. But what it is, from looking at it here, it's a flashlight. And it's also a taser, a stun gun. That is correct. Yeah. This is actually kind of a little cute. And look, y'all, it's purple. So this is the company that sent this out to me. It is, and I was not lying, it is a keychain. So this actually hooks right through here, and it is a keychain. So it is a Taser keychain is what this is. And it is rechargeable. Here is your little USB to recharge this with, okay? Like I said, this is a light and a taser, as you can see on the front end here. All right. Y'all, I've got daughters. And I'm not going to say this is going to save their life, but you never know. And this thing is so freaking cool. And I'm glad for the company that sent this to me, that they sent it out to me. But watch this little thing. And yes, it does look like a little pistol, but it's not. Like I said, it is a taser. Now, one thing I do like about this, because yes, I have been playing with it. It is, as you can see, I'm pulling it and nothing's happening. That is because it has a little safety switch right here. All right. So if I push this forward one time, as you can see, the light comes on. And I still cannot use it, all right? Still cannot activate the tasers. It's a decent little light. So this will be one of those that if you had it here, you know, you're out walking, you're trying to get to your car, trying to do whatever, you got a nice little light on there. So that is a nice little safety light. Now the fun part. I am all the way forward with the safety. Notice this little red light has came on. That means that this thing is fully active. All right. So with that being said, so yes, it is a taser. I don't know how effective this is, and I am not going to try it out. I'm sorry, y'all are not getting that on film. But I'm going to tell you right now, just by looking at that, I don't want to get hit with it. I don't at all. But yes, this will be going to one of my daughters. I can tell you that right now, for her to have. This is close quarters. I understand that. But at the same time, you want to get hit with that? I don't. But this is a neat little package. Turn it off. As you can see, can't do nothing now. But have this on your keychain. And yeah, it is kind of big, but you got to understand, people today have keychains bigger than this. I can tell you that right now because my oldest does. But, you know, another good thing about this is, if you're out walking and you have this with you, and let's say you have a stray dog come up to you, and no, I don't mean you're going to tase the dog unless you just had to, but one thing, and I do know that this is effective because when I had this, because I have 4 dogs and I wasn't even thinking about it, and I went like that, they scattered. They went, they dispersed out of the room. I felt bad when after doing it because, you know, those are my babies. So, but if you have a stray dog come up on you and starts acting aggressive, that is one thing you can do. Just the sound of this will actually make them run. They don't like the sound of it. So, I mean, if you have a, you know, a hostile dog come up to you, very aggressive, and you just, they don't like the sound of it. Majority of them will run, because Lord forbid that you would definitely have to use this. But I do think it will be effective. I think anything like this would be a deterrent. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it is something that's going to, you know, de-escalate the whole situation. This is a deterrent, is what this is. But it gives you enough time to get away, do what you need to do. So, yeah, I mean, it's a cool little thing. If y'all are interested in this, I will be more than happy to drop a link down in the description for it. Go take a look at them. They actually got all different colors. There's a black one. I just thought it was cool. It was purple. So, you know, like I said, I'm thankful for the company sending it out to me. I greatly appreciate it. I did not pay for this, just so everybody's aware. This was sent to me. But yes, this will be going to my oldest. She will carry this on her keychain. And knowing her, she will sit here and play with this, just like I do. But it ain't a bad little deterrent. And for the price, I mean, the price ain't that bad on them. Honestly, I can't remember what the price is on it. But like I said, I'll drop the link down in my description. You can click on that. It'll be on my Amazon store as well. So, you know, we'll have it out there. You can look at it. And as this is all your little operating, it tells you everything that you have. I mean, it's showing the output voltage of this is over about less than 100 kilovolts. So, yeah, I don't want to get hit with any volts, to be honest with you. But that's just the way it is. But, you know, it tells you on here to fully charge it before you use it, which I did. And I'm not going to use it. But tells you, you know, as always, you know, keep it out of reach of children, stuff like that. There will be a little blue light back here that will indicate that when it's flashing while it's charging, it will stay. Once it stays completely blue, it's actually fully charged. So, yeah. And one thing I do want to say about this as well, like I said, it gives you the whole breakdown. You have this right here. Gives you a little bit more information on the back. But before you actually, you know, do go and purchase this, or, you know, or whatever on any Taser, please look at your state regulations, stuff like that. That's just my disclaimer on this. Look at your state regulations. Make sure that you are legal to use them. If you have to take any type of training classes or anything like that, because the last thing you need is to try to, you know, de-escalate a situation and then end up in trouble because you used something that was against the law. And that's not what we want. So, like I said, look up your state regulations before you look into these things. But hey, that's really all to this. But like I said, it's a nice little you know, I would call it a self-defense, maybe something like that. Could be a nice little EDC carry-on that you have with you. You know, like I said, you got your light and you got your tase. So, but hey, with that being said, let me shut this off before I tase myself. Another little product review that came to me that I'm bringing to you. So, yeah, hope y'all like it. Shoot me some comments down there. Let me know. I've got a whole lot more stuff coming down the line, guys. I'm just trying to get caught up on everything. But hey, with that being said, this is SEMO-MAC bringing you this product review on this beautiful little purple taser and flashlight. And as always, I hope y'all are all being kind to one another. Please, please. With the way the world is today, just be kind. If we all can be kind, the world will be a greater place. So be kind, and I hope you have a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I'm out. Peace.